Alright, this one's going to be on a script to get multiple block lists, because by default on transmission they don't have a, they do have a block list feature, but that you can't get multiples. So this one is a script to combine different block lists together into one. And I believe you can use it with other torrent clients, but as far as I can tell, I only use it with transmission, right? Anyways, let's try this sucker out here. But first, let me close down my transmission here. Let's see here, kill all transmission daemon. Right, kill that sucker. Let's go to our script here, and it should be called blocklist. So we just run blocklist here, and basically what it's gonna do is just go out on the web and grab the list. And where it's going to save it to is depending on which client you use. So what am I using here? Using the transmission daemon, right? Right now there's like it's empty right now, but it's creating this a file called extras, and in a minute you'll see. So wait for it to finish here. Right there you go. It's done, right? And you can see that once it combines it all together, this one's like 39 megabytes here, right? And it just gives you this text file. And inside the text file, if you want to look at it, it's just a bunch of IPs here, right? That it will block out. So these are the IPs. And when you start the transmission up, the transmission daemon here, it will actually generate a binary file out of this text file. Because in our phone right now, we only have a text file. But once I start up my transmission daemon here, right, it'll take a few seconds here to generate it. But basically what it's going to do is that it'll take this text file that we had, it's going to generate a bin file here, and basically the bin file is your block list, and it's much lesser here because it's compressed, or I guess you can say it's compressed, but it's like 4 megabytes here compared to the text file, which is like 40 megs or 39 megs, I mean. Anyways, you can see that it's being blocked by using our command here, and it's blocking about 500,000 here, right? So that's how you know it works. Otherwise, you can confirm it using what's that, the web interface, if you have a web interface, or the GUI, whatever you want to use. So let me zoom in here, and you can confirm it here by going to, where the hell is that? There you go. See the block list here, and it says it's blocking 500,000 here. Like I said, same number that we had in here, same number. Okay. So that's about it, and I'll show you how it looks like here when you're doing this. As far as the script, you go there again, vim block list here. It's pretty easy. I got this from somebody that posted on Reddit. But if you're gonna do this, like let's say if you have a server only and you don't have any GUI or whatever, you can always go into your configurations, and it should look something like this. This is block list enable, and you want to put it equals true. As far as the URL, you leave it blank. Actually, give me an example of that here. Transmission daemon. Right, in here, this is your configurations, how it will look like, basically. And right here, where it says block list, make sure it looks something like this, right? And that's how you will set up the enabling the block list. And the script will handle downloading it. So you can use like a cron tab if you want to do it automatically, maybe every week or something like that. That'd be fine too. And as far as the list of where you will get it from, like the block list, you can use this website here, like iBlocklist, and they give you a list that you can get it from here. And if you want to know what the hell it's about, like what list is about, you can always click on it, and it'll tell you, okay, this list does this, 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 and this. And sometimes they have comments if you want to read those suckers also. Pretty much it for the script. Pretty easy to use. The only thing you really need is what was that, wget to download the stuff, right? And maybe gunzip. That's about it. And as far as like which client you have. I believe this one works with other clients too, but I think most of the other clients, they already have like multiple block lists. If yours doesn't, try this one out. I think it will work too, right? But what you want to do is change your location. Like right now I'm using transmission daemon. Some people use, let me give you an example. Like they use the GTK version, or what was that, the QT version, or whatever the fuck you're using. Then make sure you have it in the correct location. Um, that's about it. I'll post you the script in the description somewhere. That'll be it for this one.